To enable the Azure Monitor integration, first you need to activate your Azure integration. You can do this by navigating to Infrastructure Azure, where you need to add an Azure account. You need to follow the steps mentioned here. The first step is to get the subscription or tenant ID. Once that is done, the next step is to register your application. For that, you need to follow the steps mentioned here. Third step is to provide necessary permissions to applications to be able to monitor them via New Relic. The next step is to add your Azure account details. Here you can provide your account name, provide subscription ID, tenant ID, application ID, and client secret. Once that is done, you will be able to select the services you want to monitor. After the setup is complete, you will find integration name as shown here. It is mandatory to enable the integration as shown here for it to start working. With this integration, you can set metrics polling interval as low as 1 minute. Also, you have these settings that will help you to filter based on specific attributes. For example, you can exclude resource tags from being monitored. You can include only specific resource group. You can also restrict monitoring only to specific resource types. You will be able to submit only after you enter all the enabled options. Once the setting for integration is configured, you can manage the integration by clicking the Manage Services link here. Here you can enable or disable the Azure Monitor integration. Now that the integration is enabled, let us look at the metrics that is coming into the dashboard. To see the metrics, go to all entities, scroll down, you will see different Azure entities. By clicking on the entity, you will see the metrics and their corresponding time series. You will see all the available metrics that are coming in through the Azure Monitor integration here.